You ever look at code and think, what's the point of all this if, else, Kelly brace madness? Well, coding isn't just some cool tech flex, it's how we make the modern world work. From the app that wakes you up to the ATM that gives you cash, every modern convenience you enjoy runs on lines of code. At its core, coding is communication. You are telling computers what to do, and they listen fast. You can automate boring tasks, build your own websites or mobile apps, analyze data, even train machines to think. The app you ordered food from is built with code. The ATM you use, powered by code. Even the traffic lights in your city, programmed logic behind it. So coding isn't about syntax, it's about problem solving and automation. So whether you are into business, science, gaming, or even art, coding gives you superpowers to create, solve, and innovate. Let's talk about some of the most popular programming languages and how they are used in real life. Okay, so the first one is Python, also known as the all-rounder. Python is clean, simple, and powerful. It's used in web apps, automation, AI, machine learning, and even robotics. It's the language behind Netflix recommendations, Google search, and NASA data crunching. If you're just starting, Python is one of the easiest and most versatile languages to learn. Next, JavaScript, the language of the web. If you've ever used a website that moves, slides, pops, or responds, that's JavaScript at work. It powers interactive websites, mobile apps with frameworks like React Native, and full web applications. Learning JavaScript opens the door to front end, back end, and full stack development. Next, C or C++, the low level power. Want to build video games, operating systems, or embedded software for cars and medical devices? C and C++ give you low-level access to the hardware, which makes them incredibly fast and efficient, but also more complex. If you are serious about high-performance computing or system-level software, this is where the action is. Now, next is the Swift and Kotlin, the mobile app masters. Want to build mobile apps? Use Swift for iOS and then use Kotlin for Android. Both are modern, easy to read, and officially supported by Apple and then Google. Most of your favorite mobile apps, they are written in these languages. So what's the right language for you? Choose Python if you are just starting or want to get into data, AI, or automation. Choose JavaScript if you want to build things people can actually click and use on the web. Go with SQL or structured query language if you are into business, analytics, or anything data driven. If you want to build mobile apps, choose Swift or Kotlin. And if you are feeling brave and want ultimate performance, explore C++ or Rust. The point is, coding isn't about typing characters, it's about building, solving, and creating something useful. The world runs on code, and you can too. Which language are you learning first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more beginner-friendly tips and projects, hit that like and subscribe. Let's make tech work for you. Bye.